In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to design a professional Kajabi website and link in bio in just 5 minutes. Getting started with Kajabi can seem a bit overwhelming, but don't worry. By the end of this guide, you'll be well on your way to creating a site that not only looks professional, but also effectively communicates your brand. First things first, navigate to kajabi.com. In the upper right corner of the page, you'll see the login button. Go ahead and click on that. You'll need to log into your account using either your email or your Google account. If you don't have a Kajabi account yet, setting one up is pretty straightforward and it's worth it for the features you'll get access to. Now, to design a professional Kajabi website and link in bio, it's crucial to focus on creating an experience that is clear, engaging, and consistent with your brand. Start by planning your site. Think about the essential pages you need. Typically, a professional website will include a home page, an about page, a contact page, and pages for your products or services. Planning out these pages will help you ensure that your site is organized and communicates the right information to your visitors. The next step is to choose a theme. Kajabi offers a variety of themes, so take your time to select one that aligns with your brand and the aesthetic you have in mind. Once you've picked a theme, it's time to customize your pages. This means personalizing the colors, fonts, and layouts to match your branding. By doing so, you ensure a cohesive look that resonates with your intended audience. Creating a visual hierarchy on your site is crucial for guiding users. Use clear headings, subheadings, and engaging visuals to make navigation intuitive and to lead visitors through your content seamlessly. Optimizing your site for search engines, known as SEO, is also important. Use relevant keywords and meta tags, and make sure your images have alt text. These steps will help improve your site's visibility on search engines, making it easier for potential visitors to find you. A great way to make your Kajabi site more functional is by using a landing page. Create a dedicated landing page to serve as your link in bio hub. This page should be crafted in such a way that it's easy for users to find your key offerings with just a click. Don't forget to include links to your social media profiles. This integration makes it easy for visitors to connect with you across different platforms. Highlighting your offerings is another vital aspect. Whether it's your courses, products, blog, or community, make sure these elements are prominently featured. Incorporate high-quality images and videos to capture and maintain attention. Finally, keep it concise. Focus on featuring the most important information and links. This way you can provide a streamlined experience that doesn't overwhelm your visitors. And there you have it. By following these steps, you're well equipped to build a professional Kajabi website that effectively highlights your brand and links effortlessly to your social media profiles. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you found this guide helpful.